This DV8 off-road heat dispersion vented hood is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that are looking for a way to completely change up the look of the front of your Jeep, as well as adding some functionality. The JK is known for heat soak under the hood. This, having all of these additional vents, are going to help to draw air in and let heat out. So the engine is going to run a little bit cooler, but like I said, this also has a crazy look compared to a factory JK hood. It has this cowl running down the center, vents on the side of the cowl, definitely giving you a drastically different look than factory. This is something that I'm going to give a 3 out of 3 wrenches for installation. Before you take this to get it painted, you're going to want to take it to a body shop and have them line everything up, massage it a little bit, make sure that it's going to line up and fit properly with the proper gaps on your JK, then have it painted. Don't take it out of the box, have it painted, and then try and bolt it up. Most likely it's going to need to be massaged at that point, and you're going to mess up your brand new paint. So do this in the proper order. Have the body work done on it, then have it painted, then install it on your Jeep. So definitely 3 out of 3 wrenches, not something a lot of you guys are going to want to tackle in your driveway or in your garage. Time is also going to vary depending on how much massaging it needs, what type of paint job you're getting. So you'll leave that up to a shop, but we will talk a little bit more about the process in just a second. There are going to be a couple of different hoods available for your JK, and hoods for the JK are usually going to do 2 things for you, the same things that this hood is going to do: change up the look and add a little bit of additional ventilation. So if you like the look of this hood, I think it's going to be a really nice option for you. It's a steel hood, it's a quality piece, it's going to get the job done. If you're looking for a slightly different look, there's a hood available from Rugged Ridge, a couple other manufacturers out there making hoods that may have a look that you prefer. This is going to be made out of steel just like your factory hood. It's going to have spots for your factory hood tie downs using your factory hood hinges. Also has some spots for the squirters for your windshield washers. But that's really where all of the similarities between this hood and a factory hood end. From there, you have your side vents over here, which are plastic pieces that are going to 3M on over top of the holes in the hood. So they are straight through. They do give you actual useful ventilation. And on either side of the cowl here, you also have ventilation to let some heat out that way as well. So definitely giving you a very, very different look from a factory hood. Also giving you some additional functionality. So like I said, 3 out of 3 wrenches for installation. You're going to want to get a body shop involved in this install. You're going to want to take them, your Jeep and your hood, and let them first massage the hood, make sure it's going to line up properly, then prep it and paint it, then do the final installation and any final tweaks that need to be made. Don't take this to a shop, just tell them to paint it and then bring it home and try and get it installed on your Jeep. Chances are you're gonna have to make some tweaks and it's gonna ruin that brand new paint job. So definitely take this to a shop, let them handle everything from A to B. This hood's gonna run you a little over $500 plus about $100 in shipping, and then whatever your body work and your paint work are going to cost you. So this is not going to be a cheap add to your Jeep. However, if you're looking at it from a impact to the look of your Jeep per dollar, I do think you're getting a pretty good value here. This is going to absolutely completely change up the look of your Jeep. So if you're looking for a new hood for your Jeep to not only add some function but drastically change up the aesthetic of your JK, I definitely recommend taking a look at this hood from DV8 Off-Road, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.